So I've restored this 10-year-old Yamaha Fazer. It was lying in Goa for 7 years in the rains. So I've changed everything in the bike, and in fact gotten the bike open, checked all the spare parts, replaced the ones that required replacement, got the chassis reinforced with metal, got the swing arm reinforced, gave the bike a custom black paint job, and got the filter, battery, wiring, everything replaced, and got a custom sticker as well. So this is how my bike looks. So sharing a few more pictures, and I hope you like them.